Hi everyone, I am Imran from Cycloto. Today I'll guide you through creating captivating e-commerce clothing and fashion email newsletter that your audience will love. This newsletter is fully editable with a drag and drop interface, so there's no need to learn HTML or CSS. Once you have created the newsletter, you can easily update the content such as text or images by simply clicking on them. So without any delay, let's jump into the video. Alright, access your dashboard. Navigate to email templates, click on the create template button and you will see many pre-built templates here, but we will start from scratch. Click apply and name your template. I'll call it clothing template tutorial. Click save. Now let's move on the design part. Firstly, let's remove all the blocks except the footer text. Starting from the top, we'll add a single text block. To do this, click on the layout and drag the single column layout and drop it. Copy the color code here. You can see the color code layout background and copy it and paste it here. Now drag the paragraph block and paste it. Let's copy the text here and paste it. It's Noto Sans and the font size is 16, so make it like this. There is the font, and I'll make the text color to white. Now let's adjust the spacing. The padding is top 5 and bottom 5, and what about our, it's 12, so make it 5 and 5. The spacing still seems too big compared to the reference design. Let's reduce the padding to match the reference, so click on it. Let's see the padding here. The text block padding, it's 5 again, so again click on it and make it 5. There is a spacing at the top as well, as you can see, so we need to add a spacer, and let's add a spacer at the top. Set its background color to match the email background color, so we need to see the background color here. Click on it, it's F4. Copy it and click on it, paste it. Perfect. Next, let's add the logo. Drag and drop the image block and drop it here. Click add, upload and click open. Now the logo looks big, we have to resize it. Just click on it and make it small. I think it's perfect now. Now we'll create the menu. Again, drag the paragraph text and then I'm just copying the text and paste it here. Now copy the text and paste it. Select the full text and now click on the link icon to add a link In my case, I'm placing my website link. Click OK. Now add a little space. I mean, like 5 space. 1 2 3 4 5. Now add the second link. Main. Paste it. And again add the link to your website. I mean menu bar. Repeat this process for each menu item. Now let's style the font. Firstly, select the text and change the font to Noto Sans. Again, same for this. Now let's remove the underline. Click Style, Link, and just uncheck it. I mean, click on it, and the underline will be removed. Next, let's add the banner image. Just like add the logo, drag and drop the image block and then upload your image. Click upload, then place the image. Now for the next, copy the text and drag the paragraph text and place it and paste the text. Let's remove the spacing and then do the format. Let's see the font size. It's 40 pixel and the font is Anton. So copy the text and increase the size to 40. Now do the same for the paragraph text. Just copy the text and drag the paragraph block and paste the text. Remove the spacing and select the text and add font name Noto Sans and 16 pixel. To add a button, drag and drop the button and just place it. Now name the button shop now. Let's see the width and height. Increase the width to 35% and the height is 24 pixel. Now change the color. There is a border, so in order to remove the border we can decrease the border line and just add this color, and we have to change the button text to white, and you can add in link to your website. You can add your website link here, so it will redirect to your website's desired link. Mine, I'm just placing my website name, website URL. Done. Now let's change the font name to Noto Sans. I think it's now perfect. The font is bold, so copy the text and make it bold. Okay, so next is there is a horizontal line, so in order to achieve it, drag the divider and place it. Now change the color of the line. Let's see which color I am using here. It's D6 D6 D6. Now there is a another section called new arrivals. So again, it's easy process. Drag the paragraph text and name new arrivals. Let me check the font style. It's not a sense 30 pixel. So select the text and it's 30 pixel. For this section with three side by side images, text and button, use a three column layout here. Drag the three column layout and place it, and now add the image like this, similar to the next two column. Now let's add image. I think I used the full section. The alignment is full, and I added some padding. So let's do that part. Click full. Now 5 for left and right. Next we have to add this text. So again, drag the paragraph text, place it, t-shirt. Let me see the text. 16, font size 16 and 14. Select the text, then select the t-shirt, select the pricing text and decrease the font size and bold it. And now we have a shop now button. Again, I can simply duplicate this block and add it here, but I'm showing you from the scratch. Now let's see the alignment. It's small size, so make it small, and the font size is 14 pixel. And the height is 24 pixel. Change the font to Noto Sans. Perfect. It's uppercase. Make it uppercase. There is a little bit space here, so remove the space. As we style the first product, we can copy and paste the style format to the other columns like this. Copy this block and place it here. Copy this, place it here. And we can just replace the text to regular shirt. Again, you can put your website link here or your product link here. I am using just placeholder for my website URL. We can do the same for this text. Below new arrivals, we have the accessories section. Let's just copy the new arrivals block, duplicate it and paste it here, and we can just change the text. Next, we will use a three column layout again. Drag the three column layout and place it. We can duplicate this block and just place it here and here. Now we have to upload the image. Do the same for the second column too. click upload and upload the image. Now the image is looking small. We have to make the image full, and we have to add a little padding to make it look nice. Maybe 5, it's 4, so we have to add a 4 on left and right. Now it looks okay. We can remove the top and bottom padding. Let's do the same for this. Okay, so what we can do is we can just duplicate this block 2 times. Maybe we have to remove padding from the bottom to 2. I think it's now looks good, so change the image. We upload the image. You can put separate link for each images. As you can see, we have the option to add link. If I place any link, for example google.com, and for the second I can use my website. Let's go to the preview to check if it's the link working or not. Yes, it's working properly, so we can move on the next section. Next is the shop accessories. So what we can do is copy this, duplicate this block and copy it. Now scroll down and just place it here and change the name to accessories, or its shop accessories. So right, we can increase the width like this. Maybe you can increase a height to little bit. Maybe you can add some spacing. Top 15, we can add 22. Okay, now it's look great. Next there is a separator, so duplicate this separator again, place it here. Now let's design the latest from our block section. Now there is a full section. I mean, we have to take a image. Now make it full and copy this text. Again drag the paragraph text and paste it. Remove the spacing and make it not to sense. Next there is a link. I mean, this is not a button, it's a text with a link. So let's style it and change the text color to this. Maybe we can make it italic and we can add text, anything like ChatGPT. Click save. Now there is underline, so we can add underline here like this. Maybe I have to add the text color again. Make the text bold. Now it's look accurate. Finally we'll add the social icon, so let's create it. I can just copy this section and drag it at the bottom. Just remove this text section and add this social. Okay, there is Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Change the color, it's light I think. Yes, and it's a little small. Get medium, I guess. Yes, it's medium. Medium. Now you can add your social icon link here. Simply just copy your Instagram account like this. Instagram. Let's check the padding, spacing. It's 5 and 5. Okay, let's preview it to see if it actually working or not. I placed a Instagram account, so click on it to check it. Yes, it's working perfectly. That's it. This is how you can create a Mailchimp newsletter from scratch. You can adjust the spacing to perfect your newsletter and add more blocks as needed. I've kept the example simple with just a few blocks to keep the video concise and clear, so you can easily grasp the process without getting overwhelmed. Feel free to share your thoughts or suggestion in the comment. If you want to purchase this newsletter, you can do so on Lemon Squeezy. I'll leave the link in the description. I'll also provide additional support if needed. So yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel. Your supports motivate us to create more content. See you in the next video, inshallah.